Lena is tiling a square floor with each side 3 meters long. Tiles cost $45 per square meter. Which calculation gives the total cost of tiling the floor in dollars? First, let's draw a picture to properly describe the situation that we're talking about. We have a square floor, and it says that each side is 3 meters long. Hence, both the length and the width of the room will be 3 meters. It says also here that tiles cost $45 per square meter. So, we need to find out how many square meters we have in our room. And to find the area of our room, we need to do just what we have here. 3 times 3. Now, 3 times 3 is 9. And so we know that there are 9 meters squared in the room. Since we know that tiles cost $45 per square meter, to find the total cost of tiling the floor, we would have to do 9, so the meters squared in the room, times 45. How much tiles cost per square meter? So, we don't actually have to do this calculation ourselves, but the question itself asks us what the actual operation is that we're trying to do. And that is 45 times 9. And so our answer here is B.